Once you've built your Google custom search engine, you're going to want to publish it. You're going to want to share it with the class and with your students. And in order to do that, there's a few steps we have to go through. We're going to assume you can land on the custom search entry page. I've already gone ahead and logged in here. You'll have to log in, and then you go to manage your existing search engines. Click there, and you'll see a list of search engines. I have quite a few at this point. As an example, let's take a look at this search engine. We have some things we can do with it, but I want to basically be able to just publish this thing. So I'm going to click on the search engine itself, and this gives me the Moodle page where the search engine is available to anyone. And all I have to do is share that URL in the upper search box area, and people will be able to find this search engine. So that's probably the simplest way to go about saving and displaying your custom search engine. However, you might want to publish this on a blog or a web page. And in order to do that, you have to follow these links down here. Okay, so we have there at the bottom of the page, add this search engine to your blog or web page. So I'm going to click that, and we'll see what we get. On this page, you'll see that you have a chance to add a gadget to your web page, and that's what this search box will look like when you add it. Now, you can customize the look. You can change the boundary on it, harmonize with the page that you're working with. You can change the size. Let's say you want it more narrow, so we turn 320 into 250. Oh, let's go to 247 and preview the changes. And you'll see we can make it smaller, we can make it larger, we can have a border, we can have no border. These are ways to customize the look of your piece. And then you can see that the next thing you do is go get the code that you'll have to embed on your blog or website. Once I click that Get Code button, I have the code right down here. I highlight it, and it's fairly long. And I'm going to hit a Control-C to copy that code. And now we have a piece of code that we can go paste into something else. Well, I have my handy editing pad standing by, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that code into the editing pad. And now I have this chunk of information that I can enter into a web page or a blog by using the HTML properties of that web page or blog. I might be tempted to try to paste this into D2L so I could share it with you, but unfortunately D2L is not going to allow us to use this script language, so it'll be blocked and won't allow you to do that. However, you can print it or publish it on a website or a blog. If you're using Google Sites, however, there's an extra trick that we'll have to talk about later. It's not as easy as it would seem to be. And that's basically the two ways that you can publish your website. Your search engine rather, through the embedded code method, or if we just back up from the page where Google publishes the piece. I hope this makes things a little clearer and easier for you at this late stage of the game where you've completed your custom search engine and now you just want to be able to share it.